So to make this cabbage and bacon, all you're gonna need is some dried curd sticky bacon. I got these from Tesco. These are so nice once you fry them. Delicious. So I'm gonna use because I'm gonna do half a cabbage. I'm gonna use 2 streaks of these, 2 or 3 streaks of this to do half a cabbage. But medium cabbage from Tesco, I'm gonna only cook half of that. I'm gonna use 1 spring onion, 1 medium size whole onion. I'm gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. This is the key ingredient, the aromat. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on the cabbage while it's steaming. You're gonna need olive oil. You're gonna need thyme. I normally use fresh thyme, but because of what's going on with the food supply chain, there is no thyme. There's no fresh thyme. And then I'm gonna use a few chili. I haven't decided how many yet. I've just took those out for now, but I'll add to taste because I like mine to be spicy. So that's that. So I'm gonna start cutting up my ingredients now. So I'm gonna start with my peppers. I'm just gonna wash these and I'll be right back. So just wash my chilies and my garlic. I'm just gonna crush garlic so it problems. I'm not gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna crush that like that. Like that. I'm gonna chop up my chilies. I'm gonna actually, I've taken the ends off already. I'm gonna cut these quite thin. So goes there. Looks like an onion already. So I'm gonna use all of this onion. Also, I do use sweet peppers in this, but obviously because of the food supply chain, there's no sweet peppers in the supermarkets at the moment, so I'm going to do this recipe without sweet peppers, but normally I do use it. And like I said, I use fresh thyme instead of this one. I don't normally use dry thyme because fresh thyme is just much more better, but since we haven't got fresh thyme, we'll just use that dried one. And also, I don't normally use chili, I normally use Scotch bonnet pepper. So that's another thing that I didn't have, Scotch bonnet pepper. So that's the one. I'm going to wash these, be back in a moment. So wash those. Cut these up as well. I'll just use 1 spring onion. You can use 2, but I'm just going to use 1 streak. I'm going to cut this in a bit. You can see I'm going to put cut onions. So make sure I cut this way, but hey ho, that's the easiest way I can do it. So there we go, onions. So I'm going to cut this in half. If I can. Fighting with this thing. It's quite thick. Oh god, the onions are burning my eyes. Well, I'm gonna jiggy. Last, I'm going to take off the best layers and I'll wash it. So I'm just going to take one side and this one side, and then I'm going to wash it. Okay. And now I'm going to just so you want thin layers, really thin layers, really thin layers. Like that. You need a sharp knife. This knife is actually not sharp, that much sharp. So that's why I'm taking my time. I've changed my knife because that one was not sharp at all. So just cut it really thin, like this. Just go until you finish all the cabbage. Obviously, don't get this bit in this section here. I don't use it. I'm just gonna keep going on each side like this. Just 100 on each side. So I'm gonna go, keep going. So this is how much cabbage I was able to get out of this. I'm not going to use the rest of this. I'm going to throw this away. So that's that. Turn my stove on now. So put all this in here. I'm going to sprinkle this here. Oh, what's on here and here? That's this. That's that. That big out. I'm going to use 3 strips of chicken. Let's see the comments. Turn the stove on. Some oil to fry it. And cut these into streaks. Small bites. That's us. So. No, that's not going to much. These are quite good actually. I might just do one more. The crispy thing. I'm just going to fry these a little bit crispy, and I'll put them into my cabbage. And we'll steam it all down. it's golden, we're gonna put it into the cabbage. So that's that. Swap stove around. There's all of this over. All that juices there. So there's the olive oil all over it. Then I'm gonna let this steam down. So mix it on in. Coat it with the olive oil. Remember, you would add your sweet peppers as well, but I don't have any because of the crisis. So we'll add our sweet peppers and now we're going to add our thyme. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of thyme on here because it's enough just to get it nice and flavored. So that's basically us. The last thing to add in here will be the aromat. But we'll add that once this is half cooked. So we're going to let this steam down now. Halfway through, we'll put the aromat in. Obviously, this tastes so delicious. Put it on 4, but I'll just do it as I need. Put it on and let it steam, guys. So about 10 minutes, I'm going to sprinkle some aromat in there. Continue to steam down. Some more to taste it. And some taste. When I'm going to add some more aroma to it. So that's so fire. There's bacon pieces. I'm going to keep this. It's been steaming down for the last about 15 minutes now. It's almost finished. As you can see, it doesn't look a lot anymore.